Hi everyone, welcome back to day 23 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. I'm so glad you're here. Cannot wait to open up this gift. Day 23, oh my goodness. So Christmas Eve's Eve? Yeah, we're getting there. I hope everybody's getting ready. I know I have a ton to do yet, but it'll happen. All right, this is a day 23's item, and here we go. This is what I'm seeing. There's something else in here. Ooh, quilted notebook cover project. Quilted notebook cover project. All right, here it is. That looks really pretty. It's developed by Posy Collection, posycollection.com. And then we have a journal. All right. Oh, and there's a piece of, looks like embroidery, printed embroidery here. All right, let's open it up and see what it is. Oh, so you got two of these. There's one on the inside. All right, so there's some embroidery. Okay, and then we have a notebook. Let's open that up. It's like craft paper type of thing. And it's a blank notebook, so no lines or anything, which is nice because it'd be a nice sketch notebook for quilt designs. All right. All right, I think this is beautiful. It looks like there's a monogram place for a monogram. Can't talk. In here, so I'm wondering if there's some letters or if we use the letters from last year. Oh, no, there's letters on the back of the pattern. So pretty. All right, I'll have to check that out. I'm not sure if I'll get it done, but we'll see. It's usually I start working on it and it happens, but we'll see if it happens this time. Things are nuts. Anyway, very nice. I like this. This is unusual. Again, it's getting me out of that comfort zone, which I absolutely love. I think that's really cool. And I wonder if we can order more of these booklets too. I'll investigate it all and let you know. All right, let's talk about the book. It's comprised of two novellas. There's also two quilt patterns in here too. Well, block patterns, but then at the end of the block patterns in the sections, it shows you how to put them together into a quilt, which is really neat as well. Love that. I started listening to the audiobook, and if you go to the page that says Dear Reader, there's a QR code there. You can scan that QR code and it'll take you to a recording of Jenny reading this book, which is also really neat. I am not sure where I'm at in the book because I'm listening to the audio. I think I listened to about an hour or so. It's really entertaining. It kept me busy. I was folding laundry and doing all kinds of stuff while I was listening to it. So that's really neat. I do love the aspect of the quilt patterns, two quilt blocks, and then they show how to make it into a quilt. In this, in the introduction, it says there's also some quilt tips and tricks. I haven't heard them yet, but I'm sure I will. I love that they're working on an old quilt. You know, I love my old quilts and my lessons from an old quilt series, so that's a lot of fun too. And then there's this mysterious aspect to it. So it's really a great story. I'm enjoying it, and it's fun to listen to while I'm doing stuff around the house. So yeah, that's that. As for value, her books are around $12 on Amazon. However, because we had the added component of having some patterns in here and also having Jenny Rita having the audio version with it, it didn't feel right just keeping it at 12 where you could, there are just too many other components. So I'm putting it at $15. Did I say that? Am I losing my mind? I am losing my mind. Yes, I'm saying $15 for this book because of the extra stuff. Don't know if I said it or not. Who knows at this point? Things are just, there's glitter everywhere and things are foggy. Anyway, so that brings our grand total, if I can find my notebook, my grand total to $388.40 with an overage of $188.45. So we're doing awesome, doing really good with this. Everything's up on my blog so you can review it if you want to. And I'd love to hear what you think about the value. That would be great. So duck count, we did add a duck yesterday. No, we didn't. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. We did. It was the bookmark right here. Chuck the Duck. He was added yesterday, so there's none in this that I saw. I don't see any more Chuck the Ducks other than the one that's on the bag, which we've already accounted for. So the Chuck the Duck count stays the same, and I think it's 36. Yeah, this video is not as great as it normally is. I'm all over the place, aren't I? I'm so sorry. Hey, there'll be days like this, right? All right, let's guess for day 24, Christmas Eve, which is tomorrow. For you who are watching this, it's not for me, but it is coming up fast. All right, where is it? Day 24. I am lifting it up. This is your warning, warning, warning. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. There it is. Ooh, it rattles. It's very light. It thumps a little. I don't know what this is. Sounds like there's two things in there moving around. I have no idea. We will find out tomorrow. And yes, there are 2 ducks on this box. That's already been accounted for in our count in the box on my graphic. I had the packaging, so that's already been accounted for. Interesting. We will just have to wait and see and find out. Can't wait. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.